going to do a Valentine's request from Jennifer B. So she's asked for pandas, which is an awesome request. So I'm just going to start by using this Paper Pro, which has this wonderful thing called a filler. I'm keeping the design very simple. And I'm going to do some clever little designs with this so you can have some fun watching. Thank you, Jennifer B, for writing in and suggesting such a great request. And I'm sure you're excited to see this on the shop, on the items that we have on our shop. We love suggestions because we're always looking for cool ideas. Right, so what I've got here is a panda, and I'm going to do his eyes now. And another eye here. And then I've got these wonderful other buttons that I'm pressing. I'm cheating a bit, I'm using the pen. And using very, very simple design. Can you see that? So what I want to do is actually use a bit of a funky orange heart rather than your typical red heart. So I hope you all like that. And that's our first panda. So it's very simple. And I'm just gonna move this up to the top. And then, oops, excuse me, I made a mistake. I'm gonna cut that round. I'm not allowed to actually come off the paper, so please feel free to write in and make a request, and you'll get to see your designs on our products in our shop. And we do this very, very quickly. That's what's so awesome. That's why we are called quick to draw, quick to deliver. So I'm going to put that one there. And now I'm going to do a pink, I'm going to do a blue panda, which sounds crazy, but here we go. I'm going to draw one go with the filler. And then we're going to have the panda looking like it's dancing. And I'm keeping the design very simple. And that's not just so that you can all have a go at home trying this. It's also to do with the look of the product at the end, which is, we want to keep it nice, clean, simple. Okay, I'm just doing the nose, a little extra white there. Okay, and the tummy. I do love pandas. It's a great request. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the blue and we're going to put the eyes in. Just stick the nose on. And I'm going to do another love heart in a minute. Okay, so let's cut this one out. You can see how wonderfully simple this is. And of course, if you have an iPad, this is a great tool, especially for kids. I'll move it down a little bit over there. Now do a bit higher. Great tool for kids, but you don't need an expensive iPhone, iPad. You just need paper and pen, a little bit of imagination. We're going to do a green panda down here now. Same thing, just keep it simple. And also, art is a lot to do with just having fun, experimenting. It doesn't have to be right first time. So Jennifer B., have you got a Valentine's that you want to send a card to? Hello, Anton. I see you've joined the group. I hope you have a lovely request for us. Feel brave. Just anything, suggest anything. We're here to make these awesome designs for you. It is quite therapeutic just watching, so if you don't have any suggestions, don't worry, just watch and enjoy. Another big orange heart. And now I'm going to do a pink panda because there are no rules to the game. Here we go, nice and slow. So I think you can all see how this works and how it just is very simple, but it really works. I also like the fact that even though the white is white, it's kind of a bit of the color. So for example, this panda I'm drawing now, his white is a little bit pink. So let's do the eyes. So some of the products in the store are things like phone cases. So you can actually see your designs on a phone case. So if you want to send a girlfriend or boyfriend a phone case with your own designs while you're on the show, you can first of all show the show and how you wrote in. Okay, so I'm very happy with that. One more heart. And there we go. So we've got our design, and I can quickly show you how we create this using another app called Procreate. So I'm going to pop that on there now for you. It's sending to Procreate. And now we're going to go to Procreate. And there you go, you get to see the design. That's awesome, isn't it? It's sort of repeated it. It's fantastic. I'm very happy with that. So give Kirsten and I, Kirsten does all the taking the designs. Thank you, Jennifer B., for this wonderful design and or theme as well. I love the panda theme. And you should see in a couple of minutes the actual products with this design. Okay. I'm just, can see I've got another request from Kirsty. So I'm going to, we got a puppy. And I have to say, one of my favorite animals is a pug. So let's, I'm sure if you want a different type of dog, please, please, please let me know. But let's do a pug. And of course, pugs are very cute on a Valentine's card. So we do have a bit of a themed design today for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to put in a few sweet little eyes. So I'm just going to layer that in there. And then the nose is up like that. And we're going to do a few lines because pugs have lots of wrinkles. And then we're going to lighten up the coat. Probably more yellowy. There we go. And I'm actually going to go over the whole thing with one fell swoop. So let's see how that goes. Because I am going to use a bit of black on this one. So I'm wondering how the pugs should be Valentined. Let's have a think about that. So we could have a pug flying, or oh, I'll tell you what, maybe with a bow and arrow. Let's do that. So we've got a puppy dog. And let's do it. And a ribbon on the tail. I love that. Okay, I shall do a little let's just do this quickly. Sorry, I'm just going to do the bow and arrow. And of course we need to have a heart on the end of the arrow. There we go. And then I'm just going to outline our puppy dog. So we want a bow on the end of the tail, ribbon on the tail. Okay. There we go. Now, let me just outline it, tidy it up a bit, make it look more like a pug. I definitely have to make this pug cuter. I'm going to give him a little bit of a white sparkle in his eyes, a little sparkle in his nose. There we go. So there we go. We've got a pug. I'll cut it out and we can try to do some more pugs. Hello, I can see that there's some more people who've joined in. It's excellent. We love that. There we go, we got our sweet pug. Now I'm going to outline this and then cut it out and do some more pugs. Shall I do some, shall I do a bow? Not a bow, some angel wings. Let me cut this pug out and then we can do some designs, and you can see this in a short while on the shop. But I do love the pug idea. Thank you for sharing that idea. Oh, okay. Kirsty wants wings. Excellent. Okay, I shall give some blue wings. There we go. And there we have it. We've got our wings, and I'll do a couple of these pugs for you as we were coming to the end of the show. And so lovely to draw for you today. I'm just going to draw another pug quickly. Now I've got my okay, I can see that more people are coming in, so I shall carry on drawing. Okay, so let's do some more of the pug. Let me get that color back. More brown color. Pugs have a very distinct face, don't they? They're beautiful animals. Let's see if I can use a bigger pen. Let's see what happens when I do this. Okay. I want to get some of that cute sort of wrinkles that they have. I think as I'm drawing these pugs, I'm getting a little bit better at learning how they look. So I'm simplifying it. And they have this wonderful wrinkle on their forehead. So keeping it very simple. And I don't think I have to do any more than that. I'm just going to experiment. Maybe I can do that little mouth. There we go. And maybe a little bit of sparkle in the eyes. I don't actually like that. Okay, so now we've got our little pug, and I think we should definitely have another heart here as a balloon. Well, I think that was a great idea. Thank you very much. I'm going to do more of these designs, similar to the panda, and let's see how it looks on the shop. So thank you everyone for writing in. It was great fun drawing for you tonight, and hopefully see you next time. Take care and keep drawing. Bye.